That's my dad. He's sick. I'm scared because, here, hold up. So this is my room. It's a little dirty. I know. Oop, paper. Okay. So there's a tree over there. And we had to move our car just for this apparent reason. So if it falls, it's either gonna fall in my room or it's gonna fall in their driveway. We're hoping it doesn't fall at all, but if anything, hopefully it's the driveway. Got some stuck to my foot. Hot dang! My dad said it's hurricane winds. What was that? That might have just been me. Hold up. I'm gonna reel this up if I can figure out how to use it. Come on. There we go. Now I can see what's going on. Well, I know what's going on, but what it looks like. Could be a draft coming through here. I just realized if you look at the light over there, it's raining. That is cool, but at the same time a little scary. Wait, is it going up or down? I can't tell. Probably down. I've been watching a lot of the YouTuber Chills, so all I can think about is scary stuff. I'm trying to get the really bad stuff because it was like blowing like really, really hard. But she said, poor guy. Having to walk in this. Well, I'm not gonna get this, so I'm going to see if I can get my face on the window. Okay. I'm gonna go live, so I'll get it either way. I'm a little scared, and there's nothing really to be scared about, but I just don't know. I just have this feeling.